Thank you so much for having me back today. What a beautiful morning this has been. Well, this last one, one of the more famous spiritual quest seekers in the popular culture world ever, proudly, George Harrison. And it's funny, when I was thinking of this song, because it's such a simple song with only 3 chords, I was going to implore y'all, once it got going, to do the hallelujah, but y'all got going on Joan Osborne, so I know you'll help me out on this one. And thanks again. It's been a beautiful. My sweet Lord, my Lord, my Lord, I really want to see you, I really want to see you, I really want to see you, Lord, but it takes so long, my Lord, my Lord. Oh, my Lord, oh, my Lord, I really want to know you, I really want to go with you, I really want to show you, Lord, that it won't take long, my Lord, yeah, oh, my Lord, oh, my Lord. I really want to see you, I really want to see you, I really want to see you, Lord, but it won't take long, my Lord, oh, my Lord, oh, my Lord, I really want to see you, I really want to see you, I really want to see you, Lord, I really want to see you, Lord, and it won't take long, my Lord, oh, my Lord, my Lord. He changed keys on me. Oh, my Lord, my Lord, oh, my Lord, my sweet Lord. Thank you.